Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the reports in JogNog over the next 2 minutes. So you'll notice here again, the main screen, the home, we're looking at a JogNog class which consists of students and the different leaderboards and the quizzes that have been assigned to those students. And you'll see up here we have a link to reports. So let's take a look. We have a simple class here with just one student in it. And the first report we'll look at is first score. Now JogNog is very interesting because it does both formative and summative assessment. So when the student takes a JogNog quiz, they are allowed to learn the material as they're taking the quiz if they don't already know it. So JogNog records the first score, which represents how much knowledge the student had initially, kind of like a regular test or quiz. And then also last score, which represents the score they achieved after they had practiced and learned the material. So you can see here we have just this teacher, Emily, and student Jose in the class. Here are our 4 quizzes: Eclipses, a short version of the Eclipses quiz, Structure and Function of Vertebrates, and the Welcome to JogNog quiz. So you can see that Jose got only 50% correct when they first answered the questions in that quiz. But after they had practiced, they got 100% on that quiz. The other reports that are available are days late. You can set a due date for when these quizzes are due. In this case, Jose finished that quiz 1 day late, but then so did the teacher, so maybe we'll give him a break. The report card is specifically per student, so we can look up here and we can see, we can choose the class we're looking at, but we can also look at the student. The teacher can be removed from this class, but the teacher's the only one looking at this report anyway. But we'll look at Jose here, and this is the most data. This is all the quizzes Jose has taken, first score, last score, and they get a specific idea when the quiz was assigned, when it was due, and then when it was completed, and also a calculation of the days late. And if you look at the last report, that's a progress report, which is very high level, how many quizzes the students completed in your class. And the very powerful thing about this is that you can actually set the start and end date to determine for a particular grading period or a particular time period that you want. And the other nice feature is the ability to save to Excel.